Forest River Cherokee 265B for sale in Aurora, Colorado 80011. Get ready for your next adventure with this 2014 Forest River Cherokee 265B. This luxurious fifth wheel is 30.08 feet in length and features a charming floor plan that can comfortably accommodate up to 10 guests. It has been outfitted with a 15-foot awning, one power retractable slide-out and front and rear jacks. This impressive RV has been very well maintained, which has enabled its great condition. This 2014 Forest River Cherokee 265B is perfect for anyone who appreciates a quality residential living experience right on the campsite. With top-of-the-line amenities and luxury appointments throughout, you can easily make this spacious fifth wheel your next home away from home. It comes with exceptional options and features that offer the ideal combination of comfort and convenience. Highlights of these advantages include great cooking area complete with a 3-burner stove, oven, microwave mid-size refrigerator / FreezerDouble kitchen, SinkDinette with bench seating that lays down into BedTelevisionSurround SoundDVD / CD / stereo, 2 sofa sleeper, large bathroom with ShowerMaster, queen size bed, full size master, closet / DresserAir Conditioning / HeaterTwo, propane tanks, and so much more. This 2014 Forest River Cherokee 265B is the ideal setup for anyone looking to make their traveling dreams come true. Perfect for anyone looking to create lasting memories with loved ones and friends. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to truly cherish your RV experiences. This fifth wheel is priced well below its true value, so call today for more information on how this incredible 2014 Forest River Cherokee 265B can be yours.